people of the earth. If you're not an alien, subscribe and turn on the notifications. If you are an alien, do not. You don't have to do that. But today we are going to make, drum rolls please, chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so for our ingredients, we have flour, salt, baking soda, chocolate chips, vanilla, 1 egg, butter, and brown sugar. You don't have to use brown sugar. You can use white sugar, but in my opinion, brown sugar would be healthier, and it's also yummy. That's why I like it. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our flour inside our big bowl. Get that baby in there. Okay, now we're going to put all of our salt in. I didn't really know there was salt in cookies. Well, now I know. Okay, and baking soda. The measuring will be in the description that I will give you. Okay, so we can't really use a fork for this recipe, so we're going to use our very special friend, a whisk. Okay, now we are going to whisk the salt, baking soda, and flour. And yeah, just gonna mix it. And now we put this aside. Okay, so now we got our mixer. I'm gonna start with my sweet friend, but a sweet like butter. After I put the stick of butter, I am going to put my brown sugar. Sweet like. Okay, so we are going to put this down. If you have the same mixer, we're going to lock it. And we're going to start at 1. At 1. Oh, it smells so delicious. I told you, brown sugar. It smells delicious and it's yummy. Oh, I told you guys, it smells so good and it's delicious. We want to put it at medium now for 4 or 5 minutes. Now take a break. Now we're gonna stop it. Take a little taste test if you have brown sugar in it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. Now it's the perfect time for our 1 egg. Go ahead and plop that baby in. And now the vanilla. Okay, now we're gonna put this back in. We're gonna lock it, and we're gonna put it at 1 or 2. Okay, now we're gonna lose our whisk, and we're gonna put this in here. With the help of our spatula friend here, we are going to mix it, and then we're gonna use the mixer. Now that we mixed it with our spatula friend, we're gonna lock it. We'll put it down, lock it, put it at 1 or 2. I'm putting it close to medium. Now that the dough is all mixed together, it's time for our chocolate chippies. we are going to put our dough back in our bowl. Okay, now we're going to put our cookie dough inside our fridge. See? That's good cookie dough. Hello, lovely people. So, our cookie dough is ready. And now we're going to make it into small balls. And yeah, but they all have to be equal. So yeah, keep doing that until and before we put it on the tray, we're going to put parchment paper on the tray. And then we're going to put it in the oven. And then it's going to be ready so we can try it. Our cookies are ready from freezing. We are going to put them in at 375 for 12 minutes. Okay, look how the cookies turned out. They're all cooled down. I'm going to choose this one to be mine. I'm going to try it now. To dip my rating for the homemade cookies, I'm going to give it to you guys. 10 out of 10! Enjoy. Bye for now.